I'm Brandy Adamson with the Sylvain Group. Today we're going to discuss how to start a dress shop. As I work with my clients to launch their dress shops, I like the approach of LLC: location, license, and customers. Location is very important to your brand, and it will help you know who your clientele is. Are you in a high traffic area? Are you where professional women will travel? Or are you looking for young women? Secondly, license. It's important that you have your retail business licenses in order before opening your doors. And lastly, your customers. Think about your customers as you select your merchandise, and also always have a tailor available for their use. Again, LLC: location, license, customers. I'm Brandy Adamson, your purpose coach with the Sylvain Group.